How to make the most of your money. Money is a tool that can help you to achieve your goals. It can provide comfort and stability for your family. Make it easier to plan for the future and allow you to save towards important milestones. But to achieve these things, you need to know how to make your money work for you. Here are some factors from which you can make most of money. But before moving forward, do subscribe to our channel. First, financial checkup. Looks at the current state of your finances to determine what kind of shape they are in, and whether you need to make any changes in how you're handling them to stay on track. If your finances aren't particularly complicated, you should be able to perform a financial checkup on your own. However, the more complex your financial life is, the more likely that you'll benefit by engaging a financial planner or other experts to assist you. Next is gym membership. Some, but not all, gyms will run what's called a soft credit check before you join. Your credit score could affect your payment options as a member. And while your monthly gym payments don't help you build credit, they could be turned over to collections if you're long overdue, which can hurt your score. Next is insurance policy for your car. Your finances change over time. And car insurance rates can too. That's why it can be a good idea to shop for car insurance every year to help make sure you're getting the best deal for your situation. You don't need to wait until you receive a renewal notice from your current insurance provider to begin shopping for a new policy. The sooner you begin your search, the more time you'll have to compare auto insurance quotes. If you find an insurance policy that works better for you, you can cancel your existing coverage before it expires. Some insurance companies might refund the unused portion of your premium, but they might charge you an early cancellation fee along with other fees. If you do find a better deal, consider sharing it with your current insurance company. They might try to match it or offer an even lower rate to keep your business. Next, we look upon to cable provider deals. Cable television is expensive. The average monthly price for cable TV is about $217 a month. That's over $2,600 a year. Holy cow! And if you're trying to pay down debt or save up some cash, one of the best ways to free up extra cash is to cut the cable cord. We know nothing beats kicking back on the couch and getting lost in your favorite show. But these days, you don't need cable to do that. There are plenty of cheaper cable alternatives out there, some are even free. And if you make the switch, chances are you won't even miss it. Also, we save money on your cell phone plan. Cell phones are a way of a life that Americans turn to for streaming video, playing games, applying for jobs, and more. And that's on top of good old-fashioned phone calls and text to family and friends. But that service isn't cheap. Americans spend an average $906 a year for a single person, $1,281 for a married couple according to U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Add in kids and your bill has a potential to skyrocket to $2,000 or more. Luckily, there are numerous ways to trim the cost of owning and using a cell phone. Some are as simple as changing your bill payment method or picking up the phone to negotiate a better deal. Also, we will talk about life financial plan. A financial plan is a document containing a person's current money situation and long-term monetary goals, as well as strategies to achieve those goals. A financial plan begins with a thorough evaluation of the person's current financial state and future expectations, and may be created independently or with the help of a certified financial planner. If your expenses vary a lot seasonally, then it's best to go through an entire year, counting up all the expenditures in each category and then dividing by 12 to get an average monthly estimate of your spending. This way, you won't underestimate or overestimate what you spend on utilities. Nor will you forget to account for holiday gifts or a vacation. Document how much you've paid over a year in basic housing expenses like rent or mortgage payments, credit card interest, and even home furnishings. Add categories for food, clothing, transportation, medical insurance, and non-covered medical expenses, then document separately your real spending on entertainment, dining out, and vacation travel. And at last, thanks for watching our video.